Well, hi there. Warm welcome. You're watching the Election Premier League here on Times Now with me, Meghna Deka. Since it's election season and the politicians are back to making brazen threats for votes. That's right. Raju Kage, the Congress MLA from Belagavi in Karnataka, has allegedly threatened the workers and said that the region must see cuts in electricity supply if the Congress party doesn't get enough votes in this entire region. Can you believe it? This is the dhamki which is given and all of it is on camera. Well, the Lok Sabha constituency of Belagavi will be voting in the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections. It's all set to take place on the 7th of May. We are going to get you to listen to this man yourself. Listen to it to believe it.
400 ಮಠಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವು 400 ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಜುಗುಳು ಶಾಪುರದವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ್ರೆ ಯಾಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಹುಳ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ಟ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕದೀವು ಉಳಿದು ಬೇರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ.
Now, the BJP has hit out at the Congress party. In fact, it has said that the Congress is a repeat offender. It has also cited it was the same party that was at that time. And again, they have cried the death of democracy. But the reality is now out for everyone to see. In fact, the Saffron party has also questioned whether this was Congress's Mohabbat ki dukaan or dhamki ki dukaan. Listen.
Congress is fed up. They are losing the election. Modi will become once again Prime Minister. That is the fix. Everybody knows. That's why they are threatening. When you go to Magadi, the Balakrishna, if you not vote, you will stop the 5 guarantee. Somewhere in Mandya, they will threaten, you will not vote, you will stop the works. So now Kage is telling power cut. So means Karnataka, there is a no government, there is a no law and order. Everyone become the leader, Congress party leaders. I think there is a no leadership because Rahul Gandhi is weak. He is a weak नायका.
कांग्रेस पार्टी मोहब्बत की दुकान है या धमकी के भाईजान और नफरत के भाईजान है? कर्नाटका कांग्रेस के विधायक वोटरों को धमकाते हैं कि यदि वोट मुझे नहीं दिया तो मैं बिजली कटवा दूंगा आपकी। ये केवल एक ऐसा उदाहरण नहीं, कुछ दिन पहले डीके शिव कुमार सोसाइटी में जाकर धमकी दे रहे थे, मेरे भाई को वोट दो वरना आपका काम नहीं होगा पानी का और बाकी काम। वोटरों को धमकाते हैं क्योंकि ये जनता को जनार्दन और भगवान नहीं मानते, वो जनता को ही अपना नौकर मानते हैं। इसीलिए कभी धमकाना, कभी ब्लैकमेल करना, इस प्रकार का एटीट्यूड रखते हैं। आज जिस प्रकार की धमकी वोटरों को दी गई है, इलेक्शन कमीशन को इस पर संज्ञान लेना चाहिए और सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और राहुल गांधी को बताना चाहिए क्या ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है या ये धमकी के भाईजान है।
In fact, let me go across and put some of these questions to our panelists. Joining us today on the show, we have Madhu N. Rao, BJP spokesperson. Abdul Razak Khan is also joining us, a political analyst. Abdul Razak Khan, I'm going to come in to you first. It's important for us to understand because on one hand, you have Congress putting out fake videos. Then you have their leaders who are saying and giving out dhamkis that if you don't vote for us, we are going to cut off your electricity. Rahul Gandhi is very worried about democracy khatre mein hai. Who's really endangering democracy, Abdul Razak Khan? Is it the Congress?
See, Raju Kage is openly not threatening his own voters. All that he is trying to say is about electricity. That is not kind of threatening. The real threatening is your Mangal Sutras will be snatched and given to Muslims. Was that mentioned in the Congress manifesto? How shamelessly this was presented in front of the people. When this is not called as threatening, how can this be called as threatening?
So Abdul Razak Khan, let me get this straight. You are saying when an MLA goes out to the voters and says, I'm going to cut off your electricity if you don't vote for the Congress, that's not a threat. Just to get you right.
Meghna ji, you yourself tell me if Modi ji goes ahead and tells Muslims.
Are you asking me questions or am I asking you questions? I asked you, is that a threat or not?
No. You are asking me questions when I'm saying the election has stooped down to so low levels today that, open threatening is coming from the Prime Minister who has taken a constitutional oath who has promised to, see everybody together equal, is openly saying that your Mangal Sutra will be snatched away and it will be given to Muslims.
But he's not said, I'm going to cut off your power. I'm going to stop giving you water if you don't vote for BJP. Do you understand the distinction here, Abdul Razak Khan? I'm very sure you can.
This has been said by many BJP leaders. What did our
That is misuse of a position,
MP
misuse
say?
of a power.
Tejasvi Surya. Everybody is doing this, Meghna ji.
Everybody is doing this.
Bangalore South MP.
This is
Tejasvi
Congress's-
Surya openly said.
This is Congress's model for
"Hindu dharm ke
democracy.
liye vote kariye."
DK Shivakumar says, I'm going to cut off your water
No, what?
in
Tory
case
MLA said
you
is
don't
on a
vote for my
lighter
brother.
note. It is not a serious threatening. It is on a lighter note.
Oh, it's a light, no, it's a
It
joke.
is on a lighter note. It is not a
Okay.
serious threat. He is
It's not a
threatening.
serious threat. Okay, Madhu Rao, would you like to come in?
It's not a
It's
serious
probably
threat.
a joke. It's
Meghna,
not really a
Me-
serious threat. It's just a light threat.
Meghna, first of all, good evening.
Good evening.
To you as well as to your viewers and to my friend Mr. Razak. I am really flabbergasted today that Razak is talking about constitution. Fair enough. I only can say so much to the Congress party. It is a decimated party, bankrupt government, disgruntled MLAs who are in a tizzy. They are not able to understand as to what is happening in the Congress party and its government. Now look at the brazenness in which Mr. Raju Kage, who is the MLA of Kagwad, says. I quote what he says, because Congress party seems to forget what they have talked on record. I wonder what they used to, how they used to lie 30 or 40 years back when the media was not so much in the forefront. What did he say? I got 400 votes less. I don't know what you will do. If you don't get more votes, we will disconnect electricity. This
But
is a
Abdul
clear...
Razak says that's not really a threat. Because
Abdul Razak doesn't even know what his statement is. You forget asking him. No, why are you asking him? You run the clips 100 times. Let him understand. This is a clear violation of section 171 B, C, E, F as per the IPC. Perhaps he is not aware and the Congress is not aware. The question is simple,
Promises
Meghna.
for the next 5
Similar,
years.
1 minute. Razak, 1 minute.
Abdul Razak Khan will come back to you. We heard you.
Please.
Let's also listen into Madhu Rao.
Similar instances have happened. Even DK Shivkumar,
Yes.
who is the deputy chief minister, has openly, in an apartment, he has come and sought for the votes, where he is trying to say that there are 6,000 votes. You please vote for me. I will get you the current. I will get you the power. Otherwise, I will not get you. And this is the brazenness at which the Congress party is operating in Karnataka. My only question is, they are nervous. They know very well that they are
Okay.
not going to come. Somehow or the other, they want to play to the galleries, and therefore they're asking such things, which is really, I know it's a death of democracy from my
But
point
Madhu
of
Rao,
view from the Congress.
Madhu Rao, what Abdul Razak Khan is saying that the BJP is also issuing threats. They are saying that we are going to snatch away the Mangal Sutra when the Congress doesn't say it.
Meghna,
He's equating the two.
I request my good friend Razak to kindly go and see the manifesto of the Congress party, where it says, first time that anti-majoritarianism will be taken up. That means what? What did they do for so many years? Why are they saying we are only
What
hearing
is
the views? What has
majority
been told in
and
the
minority?
what has been
What
told in
is
the
majority
what has
and
been told in the
minority?
manifesto? Manifesto
talk
clearly
like
says
Modi.
Okay.
majoritarianism
You
will
are
not be
Madhu.
Let's leave
tolerated.
communities
This is what-
aside.
this is what-
Let's,
this
for
is what
this
the
debate
Congress party
itself,
says.
leave religious communities aside. And Abdul Razak Khan, I'll ask you a simple question. Forget about who this community is. If an elected representative, someone who's sitting in a position of power, goes and says, I'm going to snap off your electricity if you don't vote for the Congress party, is this not the death of democracy? Something that the Congress seems to be so worried about, that Rahul Gandhi has been marching for to save democracy.
Meghna, a MLA is a very small position when compared to the head of the state, the prime minister of this country.
If it was a
very
BJP
openly
MLA,
said,
Abdul
it is
Razak Khan, if it
not
was a
mentioned
BJP
in the
MLA who
Congress
went around
manifesto.
making statements
I am
like this,
saying,
would Rahul Gandhi be so forgiving?
as if they have not said earlier, as if they have not said earlier in Uttar Pradesh, do I have to give out a list of names and examples?
Well, there are a
As if
list
the
of names
BJP
and
MLAs have
examples
not
that
threatened
Madhu
the
Rao
voter.
has also
If
given to
don't
you.
vote, this will happen.
You are
We
still
will
saying
not
that
work
this is
for
not
you,
a
the
dhamki.
Uttar Pradesh MLA had said. We will
Okay,
not
what
vote
is a
for
dhamki
Muslims
as per you?
if
Abdul
don't
Razak
vote
Khan,
for
what is
us.
a dhamki?
I
You
said
said
they
this
have
is not a
said-
dhamki. What will be a dhamki?
I am saying that he said it on a lighter note. He never said that
When
we
he
will
was
definitely
campaigning,
disconnect
asking
your
for
electricity
votes.
if you
A
don't
man
vote
in
for
position
Congress.
of power.
It is with their own people. It is on a lighter note. But look at this. When the BJP comes out in the head of the state, the Prime Minister himself says, I will not let Muslims take reservation
You know,
until I am
the
alive.
irony of it all, Abdul
The
Razak Khan,
Congress
you keep
manifesto
attacking
is
the
equal to
BJP.
Muslim League
However, you keep
manifesto.
admitting that that's the
Meghana.
leaf that you've taken out of the BJP booklet.
Meghana,
If they are so
Meghana.
bad, if they are destroying democracy, why are your guys destroying democracy?
Meghana,
Last 30 seconds,
Meghana.
Madhu Rao,
Question
closing
the
comments.
Meghana, I did not want to talk about the reservation issue, but then let me teach some constitutional provisions to Mr. Razak and to the Congress party. 17th August 1949, the Constituent Assembly, none other than Begum Aizaz Rasool, who's from the Muslim community, told we do not want Muslim reservation. Therefore, we do not see any religious reservation, including for the Muslims in the Constitution. That is the Constitution for the Congress party and for Razak to understand. Now, coming to the issue at hand, simple, the Congress is losing. They're trying to fix up something. They're trying to do all sorts of possible things to gain votes. This would not work in Karnataka. They're losing very badly. They will
Okay.
see the dust of the day in June.
Okay, so the big question is, in the midst of it all, there are fake videos being sent out by the Congress handles, and you have the MLAs who are giving out dhamkis such as this. Is it out of desperation? That's the question. Thank you so much, Madhu Rao, as well as Abdul Razak Khan, as always, for joining us here on the show. Without a short break, don't go anywhere.